Hey guys, so I just wanted to make this quick video because it might help someone who might have been in a similar situation as to what I was in after the police took my electric scooter. Now, I needed to find another way to get to work, and after extensive research, I found this electric bike. And honestly, it's been the best mode of transport I've ever used in my life. I've owned it for 3 months, and the two main things that I just love is it gets me from A to B quick and easy, and it ticks all the boxes for the EAPC. Now, I'm not the best person to give bike reviews, so I will leave all the information that you need in the description with links. And basically, the rest of this video is just going to be footage of me riding it and showing you what it's like going up hills and just in general. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and follow me for more videos. Good day.